Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing the air filter change on my F-150. This is a 2016 F-150. It's got the 2.7 liter V6 Ecoboost motor. So just pop your hood, and the hood latch is just right up here from the D. Just go straight up. Okay, get you a new air filter. This is just a Fram. This is kind of a cheap one. This is the CA10-262. You can find these at Walmart, Amazon, auto parts store. Most F-150s are going to take the same air filter. So your air box is right here. It's super simple to get to this. I check this every oil change, and it's recommended about every 10 to 12,000 miles. So just pop these clips right here like this. Okay, then this just pulls, and then just grab the top here and pull it back like that. Because if you see the top here, it has these little tabs that insert into there. So that's it. So we just lift this. I'm doing this one-handed. It's so easy. Okay, this one has about 10,000 miles on it. I'm gonna toss this, change it out. Okay, I got my new one out. One thing I'd like to do, I like to take a Sharpie and I write on the side the miles and the date that I changed it at, so that way I know. Especially if you take your vehicle somewhere to get it oil change, and you know how they'll come out, they're like, hey, look how dirty your air filter is. Well, if yours doesn't have writing on it, you know that they just pulled some old one off a shelf somewhere. So we got our new air filter here. And guys, don't let a shop do this for you. Just do this yourself. This is super simple. Okay, we just drop it back in there. And then what we have to do, we kind of tilt this a little bit so that these tabs, see this, those tabs push in like that. Alright, then we just clip those on like that. Bam, good to go. See a link in the description if you need to order a new air filter, but we'll just chuck this old one out. Hopefully that's helpful. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Thanks.